Welcome back to Auto Master everyone. Today we're checking out a smart, stylish, and super practical motorhome that proves you don't need a huge vehicle to enjoy big adventures. This is the 2026 Giottiline Compact CX60, a modern compact camper designed for travelers who want comfort, easy driving, and premium features all in one small package. From the outside, the CX60 looks clean, sleek, and very European. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for tight streets, small parking spaces, and crowded campsites. The front design features sharp headlights, a bold grille, and smooth body lines that give it a modern and sporty feel. Large side windows bring in plenty of natural light, while stylish alloy wheels and practical storage compartments add both looks and functionality. Thanks to its aerodynamic shape, this motorhome also delivers better fuel efficiency and smoother highway driving. Step inside, and you'll be surprised by how spacious and well-planned the interior feels. Giottiline has used high-quality materials and smart layouts to maximize every inch of space. The lounge area is comfortable and perfect for relaxing or dining, with soft seats and a folding table. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and multiple cabinets, making it easy to cook meals on the road. There's also a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet, giving you full convenience wherever you travel. The sleeping area offers a cozy bed that provides real home-like comfort after a long day of adventure. Under the hood, the CX60 is built on a reliable Fiat Ducato chassis powered by an efficient diesel engine. It delivers smooth performance, strong torque, and excellent fuel economy. Driving feels easy and stable, even for beginners, while the suspension handles rough roads with confidence. You also get modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system, cruise control, climate control, parking sensors, and advanced safety systems to make every trip stress-free. In terms of price, the 2026 Giottiline Compact CX60 is expected to start between $70,000 and $85,000, offering great value for a fully equipped compact motorhome. If you want a small camper with big comfort and big adventure potential, the CX60 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Auto Master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.